In today's video, I'm going to teach you GCash to Metrobank Transfer. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move money from your GCash wallet straight to a Metrobank account using the transfer feature inside the app. First, open the GCash app on your phone. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and that you're signed in. It also helps to confirm you have enough balance for the transfer, including any possible fees that may appear later in the process. From the GCash home screen, tap Transfer. This is the section that lets you send funds out of GCash to banks and other financial institutions. On the next screen, choose Local. This tells GCash that you're transferring to a local bank within the country. Now use the search bar to look for Metrobank. Type Metrobank, and when you see it in the list of supported banks, tap it to open the Metrobank Transfer form. This will bring you to the page where you'll enter the details of your transfer. Here, enter the amount you want to send. Take a moment to ensure the amount is correct, since this is what will be deducted from your GCash balance. Next, fill in the account name exactly as it appears on the Metrobank account. Using the correct account name helps avoid delays or rejections. Then, carefully enter the Metrobank account number. Double-check every digit to make sure there are no typos. A single incorrect number can send funds to the wrong account or cause the transfer to fail. Once those fields are complete, review everything on the screen. If the app shows a transfer fee or an estimated processing time, read it before moving forward so there are no surprises. When you're confident the details are accurate, tap Send Money. The app may show you a final summary to confirm all the information one last time. Take a quick look to verify the amount, the recipient's name, and the account number. Finally, tap Pay to submit the transfer. GCash will process your request and display a confirmation message with a reference number once it's successful. Keep that reference number for your records. Saving a screenshot is a good idea, so you can track or verify the transaction if needed. Never share your GCash PIN, one-time passwords, or any personal security details during this process. That's it. You've just completed a GCash to Metrobank transfer using the transfer feature, local banks, and a quick search for Metrobank, followed by entering the amount, account name, and account number, then tapping Send Money and Pay to finalize.